Here we go again. Why are they fucking with me, though? You know what I mean? Look at that bitch. Bitch. The fuck? What? This motherfucker wants something. Get the fuck on, man. Get the fuck on. His ass, well, I'm just gonna suffocate today. I'm not rolling no fucking windows down, and I'm not wasting no gas, because that means I gotta go back to the motherfucking gas station. That dumbass shit. I'm just gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna crawl in the back and go to sleep. Look at him. Get your fucking ass on, man.